Is this how it feels to have a kid? So what are you doing to my veil? You are using it to protect yourself from the rain. I knew it. I knew it. Of course. It's raining cats and dogs. And oh my gosh. Are you using me as your friend? Oh my gosh. Cute eyes. Is that my shawl? Is that my veil? Oh my gosh, are you using my veil as your carpet? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Have you seen that damsel fly over there? Oh my gosh. Are you listening to me? You are listening. You are listening to me? Have you eaten your lunch yet?